Hi friends, good news for all of you. As you can see on the screen, from Ashok IT we are providing Java and Python free batches. Those free batches starting from 9th April, Advanced Java free batch starting at 4 p.m. IST, Python free batch starting at 7:30 p.m. IST. So I will show you how to join for these free batches and how to access class notes and backup videos also. Let's start. Go to Google and access Ashok IT website. Our website URL ashokit.in. If you already have the account, you can log in. If you don't have the account, then please create it and log in. Once you log in into our website, you can go to enroll for course page. Here you can choose which course you want to join. So free batches available and paid batches available. Now I'm talking about free batches. So select Java full stack. Then you can see advanced Java free batch. The price is 0. You don't need to pay anything. Click on this button. And if you want backup videos, you can select yes, then 999 rupees. If you don't want backup videos, select this as no, then price will become 0. Click on payment. As it is free batch, you no need to pay anything. Congratulations, you are able to join for this course. Access your course. Advanced Java course you are able to access. Here you can see the option to join live class with the Zoom link. And here you can click on this button to access the class notes. Similarly, for Python also, go here, enroll for course and select Python full stack. And this price is also 0. Click on this button. Backup videos yes or no. If it is no, no need to pay anything. Click on proceed. Then you can see access your course. Python course also added to your courses. Java and Python free batches. Remember, it is starting from 9th April. So thank you for watching and please comment which course you want to join and share this video with your friends also. All the best.